Welcome back to the Life of Amy June. If you're new here, I'm Amy, and on this channel, I share productivity, marketing, and small business tips to help you stay organized and build a life that actually feels doable. And if you've been here for a while, well, welcome back, bestie. You know, these planning routines are so much more than pretty pages and highlighters. They're how I survive running multiple businesses, mom life, and holiday chaos while trying to still keep my days feeling peaceful. Mid-December is a whole different animal. Busy, cozy, emotional, magical, all at once too. But with systems like this, I can breathe, stay grounded, and actually enjoy this time of year. I always start with a full brain dump. Everything swirling in my brain goes onto the page. Client deadlines, year-end tasks, holiday events, content ideas, family traditions, gift reminders, all of it. If it takes up mental space, it gets written down. Then I separate everything by category. Luxe marketing, which is my client campaigns, year-end reports, content we still need to wrap up before the holidays, Amy June Lashes and Luxe Manny, which is my beauty brand. So holiday orders, any promotions, shipping cutoffs, and then Productivity Prism, which is my productivity brand. So planner projects, digital product updates, and then YouTube and content, which is my filming schedule, editing, voiceovers, any special holiday videos I need to get up, and then family and personal, any last minute Christmas shopping, school activities, appointments, home tasks, and I host Christmas, so getting all of that in line. Seeing everything separated like this instantly shows me where my energy actually needs to go. Since I have a lighter week next week, I decided to throw in Q1 plans finalized, and it's not that I have a lighter week work-wise, I have a lighter week event-wise, and out of the house work and client meetings, it's very sparse, so that is why I decided to add in to finalize these plans just to have it all done. Once everything is on paper, I highlight or star my non-negotiables. These are the things that genuinely matter. Growth tasks, revenue tasks, deadlines, and anything with holiday timing attached to it. Not everything is urgent. Not everything deserves your energy. So I ask myself the same question every single week. If I could only get 3 things done this week, what would they be? This keeps me laser focused, especially in December when distractions are everywhere and everything feels important. Then I start my weekly time block. I plug in non-negotiables first, like meetings, client calls, family events, work events, school pickups, Christmas activities, and then I theme my days. Mondays tend to be content and creative work. I usually have the most energy, so this is perfect for planning and filming and getting client content work done. Midweek goes to any more type of like deep work, anything that needs focus before people start checking out for the holidays. And then Fridays is always admin and catch up. I don't have a specific schedule on Fridays. It's emails, small tasks, prepping for the weekend, so my brain is not cluttered all weekend. Time-themed days keeps me in the same mental lane and helps me finish what I start, even with all the holiday interruptions. And of course, I keep extra breathing room all the time, but especially in December, because one unexpected holiday event or one sick kid can shift an entire week. Flexibility is how I stay consistent without burning out. Next up is meal planning, and I try to keep this very simple. This was a goal I set for myself several months back that I would cook 5 days a week. Am I perfect? No, but I definitely do try. So I pick 4 to 5 easy dinners using similar ingredients, so I'm not cooking these elaborate meals during one of the busiest months of the year. Then I do a grocery pickup to save time and avoid wandering through crowded holiday aisles. Tiny little life hacks that truly truly make every month, but especially December, feel smoother. Mid-December always comes with bonus tasks. I feel like the middle of every month, I kind of always have extra little tasks, but this month particularly, I have more holiday shopping to finish up, continue to wrap gifts as they arrive, plan simple Christmas week meals so that I'm not scrambling all week, prep content for the last week of the year, and then follow up on any final orders for my lashes or my press-on nail brand. And if you're doing any last minute holiday glam, make sure you're following at Amy June Lashes on Instagram. We always have cute stocking stuffers this time of year, like lashes, mascara, lippies. And the last day for us to ship out products within the US is December 15th. So if you want anything, then please get your orders in by the 15th, and I appreciate it so much in advance. Then I move into my daily pages. I know in previous videos I've mentioned that this is optional. However, I have literally done this in my weekly plans probably consistently for the last 2 months or so. I simply just add the day of the week, the date, and then plug in any known time-sensitive tasks like school drop-offs, sports, meetings, any time-sensitive Christmas errands, or anything holiday related that needs to get done at a specific time. My daily layout keeps things pretty simple. Time-sensitive tasks, which would go in the time blocking section, quick tasks, regular tasks, and projects broken up by time, and then my main priority for the day and my top 3 of the day. This helps me stay insanely focused without getting overwhelmed, and in December, that's everything. And that's my mid-December weekly reset routine, a simple mix of brain dumping, prioritizing, and time blocking that keeps me grounded, organized, and actually able to enjoy the holiday season. I share these routines not because I have it all together, but because without them, I wouldn't be able to juggle all the things I do. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and send it to another entrepreneur or a busy mom who needs a little calm in her week. And if you want to see how I plan my month and set bigger seasonal goals, I'll link that video down below. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, structure isn't the enemy of freedom. It's the reason you actually get to live freely. I'll see you next time. Bye.